Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to make this quick video to show everyone how to submit their RMA for their barcode scanner repair or their barcode label printer repair. So we do have two service centers that you can send in your defective or broken barcode scanner or printer repair. If you are in the Toronto area or located in Markham, you can drop off either your barcode printer or your broken RF scanner device or mobile computer. But first note, I kind of make this clear, before getting an RMA or before sending it, you need an RMA number. So just contact us at 416-350-8032 or send us an email. Or if you've been working with us in the past, we either worked with myself or Deanna or Ivan, just send us an email and say, I need an RMA number with a brief explanation. You say, I have 10 units, I need an RMA number. We'll provide you an RMA number. Then the next thing you want to do to submit your information so that our techs can look at all of the issues that you have is come over here to Barcode Printer and Scanner Repair. This is on our homepage, so just go to innovativedigitalgroup.com, come over to Barcode Printer and Scanner Repair. And once you get there, right here it says if you're an existing customer that has a valid contract for scanner or printer repairs, please use our form to submit your RMA. Click here. So just click here. It's going to open up a Google Docs form, right? So it's just going to say RMA return merchandise authorization form, blah blah blah. Please use the RMA for your barcode scanner, barcode label repair, and then it shows the two addresses to send your defective devices to. So on the box you're going to have a piece of paper that'll have attention, our company name, and then you're going to write your RMA number down here. US returns the same thing. Specify your RMA number, put it on the box, and then put in your email address. I'm just going to walk you through this, guys, here. So I'm just going to put in rgs@yahoo.com. It's my personal. Are you a new existing customer? Let's say I'm an existing customer. What is your RMA number? This is the RMA number that you're going to receive from us from our email. Usually within the day. We're pretty fast on this. So your RMA number could be first and last name. So we're going to fill out all this information. So this is required. So you're either, our service center, we fix one of two things. Either a barcode scanner, which is either a mobile barcode scan gun. Popular ones are Intermec, Honeywell, Symbol, Motorola, Zebra. So you're either sending a barcode scanner or a barcode label printer. And that is it. So you either select one if you have a barcode scanner, but if you're sending both, then select both. So then email. So the next part is here. Enter your list of serial numbers for your barcode scanners. So this is if you're sending barcode scanners. And below is for your label printers. If you don't have a label printer, just ignore this. But the majority of our customers are sending in their barcode scanners, their RF barcode scanners for repair. So you can just put this, the model, you can put MC9060, serial number, will not scan barcodes. Let's say you have 5 of these, so you're going to do, let's say you have an MC92NO. Say put in the serial number, give a brief description, doesn't have to be long. Majority of the issues that we see will not connect to radio, bad radio, will not scan barcodes, cracked display, trigger does not work. A lot of times some users don't know what's wrong with it because it's a software issue. So software not loading. So in our service center, depending on your contract and depending if you sent your files and your firmware to us, we will repair the gun. We will reload your software, and as long as you have the IP addresses, or we provide us the IP addresses the security, meaning the SSID, the encryption type, and the encryption key, we will load everything back for you. If you didn't specify in your contract that you didn't want the service, then we'll just be repairing the common problems like your trigger, the software, and then we'll send it back to you. But if you worked with us before and you provided us your files, let's say you're running Manhattan or Red Prairie software, we will load that. And if you have another application on top of it, like Staylink, Wavelink, Avante, we will reload all of the software necessary and then send back those units to you. Just so your warehouse can get these scanners. When they receive them, they're working. All they need to do is put in the battery in and it works. So that is the type of service that we provide. So make sure when you fill out the information, make sure you have the model, the serial number, and then a description. And just do it line by line. The same thing with your barcode label printer. So you could put Zebra ZM4, let's say, serial number, and your serial number needs a print head. Or you can put skipping labels. So after you fill out all of the information, you can then print this off, put it in the box, and then put in your RMA number on top of the box when you send your devices in. And that is it. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, send us an email or give us a call. Thanks.